What's up guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be looking over while loops in Python. So while loops are pretty similar to for loops, however there are a few minor changes in the syntax and how they work. With the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. Let's illustrate this by creating a simple while loop, looping through each item within the list and printing it on a new line. Before we create this while loop, we're going to have to create an integer variable. We're going to call it I, and we're going to set it at 0. Now we're going to create this while loop by simply saying while I is less than the length of my fruits, and then print my fruits at index I. Great. So now we're not quite done yet. We still have to tell the program how much we want I to increment by each time. We can do this by saying I equals I plus 1. So let's run this and see what we get. Great, just what we wanted, each item on a new line. So I over here represents the index, and each time this loop runs, it increments the index by 1, and it prints the item within my fruits at index of I. Great. So let's say we wanted to stop the loop when my fruits index I equaled, let's say, orange. So we're going to say this, but then add a if statement saying if my fruits, and then in square brackets I equals orange, then we're going to say break. Let's see what it gives us. Great, just what we wanted. So each item until orange. So when it gets to orange, tells the program to break the loop, and it stops. Great. Another way of showing this incrementation and what actually might look cleaner and neater in your program is saying I plus equals 1. So this is the exact same as I equals I plus 1, except just written differently. So that's all for this short tutorial. Of course, there's still much more to learn about while loops. However, in this tutorial, I was just going over the bare basics on just getting started with the syntax and how while loops work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here. I'm posting Python tutorials every single week.